हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। मेरा नाम अजय है। आप देख रहे हैं आपका फेवरेट यूट्यूब चैनल नीट प्रेप फॉर बायोलॉजी बाय अजय। आज हम बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने वाले यूनिट 9 एंड यूनिट 10 पे। यूनिट 9 पे आपका चैप्टर 11 एंड चैप्टर 12 आते हैं और यूनिट 10 पे चैप्टर 13, 14, 15 एंड 16 चैप्टर आते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको रिमाइंडर देते हो, अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो कृपया करके प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम क्वेश्चन 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, द फर्स्ट restriction endonuclease discovered is A. Hind 3, B. Hind 2, C. Eco R1, D. Eco R2. The first restriction endonuclease discovered is, और आपका आंसर है B, that is Hind 2. Question 2, a foreign DNA and plasmid cut by the same restriction endonuclease can be joined to form a recombinant plasmid using A. Eco R1, B. Taq polymerase, C. Polymerase 3, D. Ligase. A foreign DNA and plasmid cut by the same restriction endonuclease can be joined to form a recombinant plasmid using, and the correct answer is D, that is ligase. Question 3, which of the following is a plasmid? A. PBr 322, B. BAM2, C. Salvan, D. Eco R1. Which of the following is a plasmid? और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है A, that is PBr 322. Question 4, biotechnology mainly deals with A. industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals, B. biological use of genetically modified microbes, fungi, plants and animals, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. Biotechnology mainly deals with, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है C, that is both A and B. That is A, that is industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals, and B. biological use of genetically modified microbes, fungi, plants and animals. Question 5, consumption of which of the following food can prevent the kind of blindness associated with vitamin A deficiency? A. flavor saver tomato, B. canola, C. golden rice, D. BT brinjal. Consumption of which of the following food can prevent the kind of blindness associated with vitamin A deficiency? And आपका correct answer is C, that is golden rice. Question 6, which polypeptide change is removed during the maturation of proinsulin into insulin? A chain, B chain, C chain, D A and B chain both. Which polypeptide change is removed during the maturation of proinsulin into insulin? और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है C, that is C chain with 33 amino acid. Question 7, biopatent means A. right to use an invention, B. right to use biological resources, C. right to use applications, D. right to use processes. biopatent means, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है B, that is right to use biological resources. Question 8, organisms which are restricted to low range of temperature are called A. Eurothermals, B. sternothermals, C. amphithermals, D. mesothermals. Organisms which are restricted to low range of temperature are called, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है B, that is stenothermals. Question 9, homeostasis is A. maintaining a constant internal environment, B. maintaining a constant internal environment, external environment, C. both A and B, D. maintaining circulation of blood. homeostasis is, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है A, that is maintaining a constant internal environment. Question 10, diapause is A. stage of development, B. stage of suspended development, C. stage of delayed morphology, D. rapid developmental stages. diapause is A, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है B, that is stage of suspended development. Question 11, bell-shaped age pyramid indicates that A. number of pre-reproductive and reproductive individual is almost equal, B. post-reproductive individuals are completely fewer, C. the population size remains stable, D. all of the above. bell-shaped age pyramid indicates that, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन 12, जियोमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एज स्ट्रक्चर इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ए बायोटिक कम्युनिटी, सी पॉपुलेशन, सी लैंडस्केप, डी इकोसिस्टम। जियोमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ एज स्ट्रक्चर इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, दैट इज पॉपुलेशन। क्वेश्चन 13, द टर्म इकोसिस्टम वॉज कॉइन्ड बाय ए जी टेंसले, बी ई हैकल, सी ई वार्मिंग, डी ई पी ओडम। द टर्म इकोसिस्टम वॉज कॉइन्ड बाय, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, दैट इज ए जी टेंसले। क्वेश्चन 14, द ग्रीन प्लांट इन एन इकोसिस्टम विच कैन टैप सोलर एनर्जी टू कन्वर्ट इनटू केमिकल बॉन्ड एनर्जी आर कॉल्ड ए प्रोड्यूसर, बी डिकम्पोजर, सी कंज्यूमर, डी प्रीडेटर्स। द ग्रीन प्लांट इन एन इकोसिस्टम विच कैन ट्रैप सोलर एनर्जी टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू केमिकल बॉन्ड एनर्जी आर कॉल्ड, और आपका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, दैट इज प्रोड्यूसर। Question 15, the tiger biomass is 10 kg in grass deer tiger food chain. The grass biomass will be A 100 kg, B 2000 kg, C 1000 kg, D 10,000 kg. The tiger biomass is 10 kg in grass deer tiger food chain. The grass biomass will be, and the correct answer is C, that is 1000 kg. Question 16, food chain refers to a number of humans forming a chain for food, B animals gather near a source of food, C transfer of energy from producer to consumer, D none of the above. Food chain refers to, and आपका correct answer is C, that is transfer of energy from producers to consumers. Question 17, the final stable community in an ecological succession is A piners, B seer, C climax, D carnivore. The final stable community in an ecological succession is, and आपका correct answer है C, that is climax. Question 18, a species facing extremely high risk of extinction in the intimate future is called A vulnerable, B endemic, C critically endangered, D extinct. A species facing extremely high risk of extinction in the intimate future is called, और आपका correct answer for the 18th question is C, that is critically endangered. Question 19, executive strategies include first zoo, second seed/pollen banks, third gene bank and tissue cultures, fourth botanical garden. Choose the correct option. A second, third and fourth is correct option, B first, second and third, C first, second and fourth, D first, second, third and fourth are correct option. Executive strategies include, and the correct answer is D, that is first, second, third, fourth, all are correct. Question 20, increase in concentration of the toxicant in successive tropic level is known as A biomagnification, D biodeterioration, C biotransformation, D biogeochemical cycling. Increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive tropic level is known as, और आप correct answer for the 20th question is A, that is biomagnification. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AG, and all the best for your NEET exam. So please do subscribe this channel. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.